All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this beautiful 2017 Nissan Altima. It is the SL model, this beautiful silver with black leather interior, premium sound system, steering wheel controls, backup camera, alloy wheels, fog lights, only 22,000 miles in this vehicle, and best of all, minimum damage around the body. Let's go real quick. Your front bumper looks fantabulous. Your front hood looks good. Your front fender looks good. Here's your front driver's rim. I don't see any curbing on this bad boy. Let's check out your tire thread, which is at just under 730 seconds. This door looks good. This rear door looks good. And this quarter looks good. Here's your rear driver's side rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing on this bad boy. Let's check out your tire thread, which is over 730 seconds at 8. Actually, almost 9. Nice shot of your roof. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. You got power windows, power doors, power mirrors. Your front driver's seat. All those no tears, no rips. Looks good. It's a powered seat. Jump in here. Turn on this vehicle. Got your AM. Turn on the lights. Got your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff. You got your backup camera. Pow. Got your AC controls right down below. Got heated seats right here. Steering wheel controls on this side, as well as this side. And your mileage of 22,286. Does need some gas and does have an airbag light on. That's about it, folks. The rest looks pretty good. Oh yeah, it does come with 2 key fob combos and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Open up the trunk, got a little button here. It's got heated steering. Didn't see that. I didn't see that before. Turn on the fog lights. Is your rear passenger seat with that looks like no holes, no tears, no rips. Does have an armrest with cup holders. Rear bumper looks good. Your deck lid looks pretty good. Here's your rear cargo space, rear trunk space. Does have a spare tire here. Pow! Does have your license plate bracket. This quarter looks good. Here's your rear passenger side rim. I don't see curbing on this one. Your tire thread is at 830 seconds. This door looks good. Here's the other side of the rear passenger seat with no holes, no tears, or rips. Looks good. Front driver's door looks good. Front passenger seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. It is a powered seat as well, and this was a passenger door, not a driver's door. Fender here looks good. Front passenger rim does have some curbing, 3 and some more. Actually, no, this is glue, but it does have some curbing. I'll say 10 or more just to engulf it all. Tire thread, so that's 630 seconds. Let's see, 3, 6, about 6 to 7 inches there. All right, lights are working, fog lights, everything's beautiful. Folks, once again, this is a 2017 Nissan Altima. It is the SL model with 22,000 miles. If you guys got any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you, and happy bidding.